It is fairly easy to find the wall studs in a wall even behind ceramic tile like this, especially the tile doesn't go quite to the ceiling. You can use a stud finder like this, locate exactly where the stud is, level down, and you'll know exactly where to attach your grab bar into that stud. Now if your ceramic tile goes all the way to the ceiling, well, you can buy an enhanced stud finder called a deep sensor type that'll go through the density of the ceramic and locate those wall studs. Now make sure you use a long enough screw so that you're going through the tile and at least 1.5 inches into the wall stud. Now a lot of times you'll find a stud on one end of the grab bar and not be able to find it on the other end. That's where you need a hollow wall anchor like this to secure the other end of the grab bar. That way the grab bar will be there for you when you need it.